Welcome to NOUN Tutorial TV. Like, share and subscribe. Open University New Admission Processes and JAMB Profile Procedure. New Undergraduate Admission Application Process at National Open University of Nigeria, NOUN, effective January 2025. This is to inform all prospective students that, effective January 1, 2025, the following steps have been approved for admission into undergraduate programs at the National Open University of Nigeria, NOUN. The admission process is outlined as follows. Step 1. Create JAMB profile code. Send your national identification number, NIN, via your unique phone number to either of these JAMB short codes, 55,019 or 66,019. This is to generate a JAMB profile code which is required for regularizing NOUN undergraduate students and facilitating the issuance of the JAMB admission letter upon admission, similar to conventional universities. Step 2. Create JAMB profile. Visit the nearest JAMB office or an accredited CBT center. Create an account on the JAMB Central Admissions Processing System, CAPS. Complete the JAMB profile by providing necessary details. Step 3. Continue admission application on the NOUN admission portal. After obtaining your JAMB profile code and completing your JAMB profile, proceed to the NOUN admission portal at www.nounline.nou.edu.ng. On the homepage, click on How to Do Things for further instructions on completing your admission application, registration, and any other relevant information. Once admitted, follow the instructions on JAMB CAPS to finalize your regularization process. Step 4. Check JAMB admission status and print admission letter. Log into your JAMB profile and click Check Admission Status. Select your admission year, example 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination or UTME. Enter your JAMB registration number and click Check Admission Status. Step 5. Accept JAMB admission. After checking your admission status, click Access My CAPS. Select NOUN Admissions. Click on Accept Admission to confirm your admission. Step 6. Print admission letter. After accepting your admission, return to the JAMB portal. Select the admission year, example 2025 UTME. Click Print Admission Letter. Answer the question, have you checked your admission status, by clicking Yes. Proceed to make payment for the printing of the admission letter. After completing all required steps, JAMB will verify your admission and allow you to download and print your admission letter. Summary of the process. 1. Create JAMB profile code by sending your NIN. 2. Create JAMB profile at a JAMB office or CBT center. 3. Complete your application on the NOUN admission portal. 4. Check and accept your JAMB admission through JAMB CAPS. 5. Print your admission letter after accepting the admission. This new procedure streamlines the procedure for students' admission into NOUN and ensures that NOUN undergraduate students are fully integrated into the national admission process. How to apply for admission. A. Check your qualification against available programs. 1. Click Admission. 2. Click Am I qualified? 3. Select Faculty. 4. Select Department. 5. Select Program. 6. Select Level. 7. Click the Next button. B. Apply for admission. 1. Click on the admission. 2. Click on the Apply for admission. 3. Click Yes if you have checked your credentials against the requirements for the program of your choice. Otherwise, click No and check as applicable. 4. Follow the guide in the pop-up box if applicable. Otherwise, close it. 5. Select/enter all options as applicable. 6. Click on the Next button. 7. Click on Details Confirmed button after confirming displayed pieces of information. 8. Reconfirm payment details. Click on Yes and then on Make Payment button. 9. On the remitter page, confirm displayed information and click on the Submit button. 10. Select applicable payment option and click on Make Payment button. 11. Still at the remitter end, Follow the prompts on the screen. 12. When you enter your one-time password, OTP, and click the submit button, it is strongly advised that you do not do anything on the keyboard, mouse, or screen until you are returned to NOUN page. 13. You will be debited and returned, if there was no interruption, to NOUN page. Follow the instructions and note the pieces of information on the screen. See check/complete payment for application form. Applicable to cases of incomplete payment. Transaction. 1. Click on the Apply for Admission icon on the left side of the screen. 2. Select/enter all options as applicable. 3. Click on the Submit button. 4. Click on Detail CONFIM button after confirming displayed pieces of information. 5. Reconfirm payment details, click on Yes and then on Make Payment button. 6. On the Remita page, confirm displayed information and click on the Submit button. 7. Select applicable payment option and click on Make Payment button. 8. Still at the Remita end, follow the prompts on the screen. 9. When you enter your one-time password, OTP, and click the Submit button, it is strongly advised that you do not do anything on the keyboard, mouse, or screen until you are returned to NOUN page. 10. You will be debited and returned, if there was no interruption, to NOUN page. Follow the instructions and note the pieces of information on the screen. D. Log into the application form. 1. Click Home. 2. Click Admission. 3. Click on Return to Application Form. 4. Enter your application form number and your password. 5. Click on the Login button. 6. Follow the prompts on the screen. Fill/edit the application form. 1. Sections of the application form must be completed sequentially. Skipping is not allowed. 2. The top of the head, the front baseline of the neck and the 2 ears must be clearly visible on the passport picture. 3. To delete one or more of the credentials you have entered, possible only if every section of the application form has been completed. A. Click on the Preview Form button, top, if you are not on the form preview page. B. Scroll to the Academic History section. C. Click on the corresponding edit icon. D. Click on the button for the credential. E. Click on the delete button. F. Confirm your intention. 4. To access/edit any section of your application form from the form preview page. A. Click on the corresponding edit icon. B. Make adjustments as applicable. C. Click on the next button to save changes and move to the next page. F. Submit application form. 1. Log into the application form as described in D above. 2. Complete all the sections, 1 to 6, of the form. 3. Click on the Submit button at the right bottom area on the form preview page. 4. Read the message on the screen carefully and respond accordingly. 5. Read and follow the guides on the screen. Registration. G. Visit your study center of choice for screening. H. Check admission/application status. 1. Log into the application form as described in D above. 2. Follow the instruction on the screen. 3. Read the pieces of information and follow the instruction, S, on the page. Your admission/application status will be reflected here. I sign up with your matriculation number, one-time action, only possible if you are screened. Qualify. 1. Click on Fresh Student icon on the lower left area of the page. 2. Fill in the boxes according to the labels. 3. Be mindful of what you type as your password and answer to your security question. 4. Click the Submit button. 5. Read the instruction that pops up on the screen and take step S accordingly.